You can't even really tell which one's running. This one definitely idles with a little more hum and rumble to it. But this one you can only tell it's on because of the fan and the way that it makes that clicking sound. Or whatever you want to call it, but it's weird. Ever since they changed that distributor, this car idles quieter. Used to be when it idled, it was probably a little more louder than this one that, this one does when it idles. But it used to start up loud as hell. Like I used to always dread starting this at certain times of the day or night because I was worried about upsetting the neighbors. Not no more. It's the van that I feel that way with now. But it's crazy. I love both these vehicles. So been letting them run for a minute. Keep shit going in it. So that way shit doesn't build up in it or gunk up. And because this one hasn't run for so long, even though letting it sit here and running probably isn't gonna charge shit, but I mean, it does have spark now, so it's doing something, maybe? I don't know. But I like to get it out and go get gas. Get it full. And they run another fuel treatment through it, but I can't do that until I get those bolts off to put on the actual Arizona license plate. This van didn't have a license plate, so I run the historic plates off of the 200. So that way it looks like it has something, but obviously we're not in the UK, and that's a UK motorcycle license plate anyways. But until I can get that off, can't really go anywhere in it. So I guess I'll have to work on that sometime in the next couple weeks or so. So that way I can. And this doesn't have to be jump started anymore. I need to start looking around and see if I can find a window clip for that. So that was properly sitting there without duct tape, and try and find a parts vehicle to get the back window on that. But till then, gotta make do with what we got. So sounds even quieter now that the hood's closed on it. Mind that. Y'all didn't see that. But yeah.